Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options you want to hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, and you just want to click on OK. This will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will automatically be booting into safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function. So any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and neither you nor the device can start it up. As you can see, we have a watermark right here letting us know that we are in this mode, and apps that will not work in here become semi-transparent, as you can see this one right here. And if you try to open it up, it gives you the pop-up that downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. And widgets don't work here either. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button once again, and this time around you just simply want to select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.